everyone. The graph of the velocity of a particle moving along the x-axis is given. The particle starts at x equals 2 initially when t is 0. We're going to find where the particle is at the end of the trip and find the total distance traveled by the particle. Here's your graph. So basically the final position, which is A, what we're doing, where is the particle at the end of the trip? That's going to equal 2, because we're starting at 2, plus integral from 0 to 7 of the velocity of t dt. So all we have to do, since we have this graph, is to write this as equals, I'm going to see if I can squeeze it in here, 2, and then I'm going to do minus because we're down below the x-axis. So if I do a little triangle here, see the triangle? So that's your triangle is, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that's going to be minus 1/2 base times height. Alright, so that's this piece. Now for the next piece, we have this triangle and it's above the x-axis. So that's going to be plus 1/2 times base times height. So that's this piece. The next one is this one. This is a rectangle. So that's just length times width. So that's just going to be 1 times 2. And then we have this triangle. Let me get a different color. We have this triangle here. So another triangle, so that's going to be plus 1/2, 2 times 2. And the last triangle is this one right here. And that one's going to be minus, because it's below the x-axis, 1/2, and it's 2 times 1. So we're going to negative 1 right here. All right, and when you add all this up, we get equals 5. So that's it for that. Now for our the total distance traveled by the particle, we're going to do the same thing here, except we're going to change these to positive, and I'll show you why. So we're going to do the integral from 0 to 7 of absolute value of v of t dt. So we write everything out, but since we're doing the absolute value, everything's going to be positive. So this is just going to equal 1/2 times 1 times 2 plus 1/2 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. That was that rectangle. Plus 1/2 2 times 2 plus 1/2 2 times 1. Alright, so when you add all this up, you're going to get equals 7, and this is in meters. I should have put that on the graph, but it's supposed to be in meters. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.